Crossing over and recombination occurs between maternal and paternal chromosomes in an individual's cells and not between mother's and father's chromosomes from the mother's and father's cells. Individuals are diploid. Each of our cells, though there are a few exceptions, has two sets of chromosomes. One set of chromosomes is inherited from the mother in the egg and is called maternal chromosomes. The other set of chromosomes is inherited from the father in the sperm and is called paternal chromosomes. Production of sperm and egg involves a process known as meiosis, which halves the chromosome number in the sperm or egg, that is, gametes. Meiosis occurs within an individual's reproductive organs, that is, ovary in the females and testes in the males. When the cells in the individual's reproductive organs undergo meiosis, there may be crossing over or exchange of parts between homologous maternal and paternal chromosomes. The crossing over shuffles the genes between the maternal and paternal copies or homologs, producing new combinations of genes or information in each chromosome. The pair of chromosomes and sister chromatids are then separated, each chromatid going to each new gametic cell produced. Thus, after meiosis, haploid gametes are formed where each chromosome has only a single strand, which may be a combination of that individual's maternal and paternal chromosomes. Crossing over of homologous chromosomes occurs separately in the female and male parent. In each parent cell, it is the chromosomes that they inherited from their parents that are undergoing crossing over. To recap, individuals are diploid. Each cell, with a few exceptions, has two sets of chromosomes, numbered 1 and 2 in the diagram. In humans, each set of chromosomes consists of 23 chromosomes. That is, there are 23 pairs of chromosomes with a total of 46 chromosomes. The diagram shows only 2 pairs with 4 chromosomes in each individual. Individuals produce haploid gametes in their reproductive organs during meiosis, so a normal human sperm or egg will have 23 chromosomes, 1 of each pair. During meiosis, crossing over shuffles the genes between the maternal and paternal homologs within each parent's cells, producing new combinations of genes in each chromosome. After meiosis, haploid gametes are formed where each chromosome has only a single strand, which may be a combination of that individual's maternal and paternal chromosomes. In the new individual formed after fertilization, the set of chromosomes contributed by the father and mother will now be known as the paternal and maternal set respectively. The maternal chromosomes are a combination of the mother's parents' chromosomes, while the paternal ones are a combination of the father's parents. So homologous crossing over is an exchange of material between maternal and paternal chromosomes in an individual, not between chromosomes from the mother's and father's cells. Let's check understanding of these ideas with a few questions. You may pause the video while you think about your answer. The first question is, where does meiosis occur? A. Sperm, B. Egg, C. Ovary, D. Testis, E. Sperm and egg, and F. Ovary and testis. Yes, the answer is F. The sperm and egg are meiosis products, not where meiosis occurs. The second question is, what is the result of crossing over? A. Segregation of alleles, B. Recombination of linked genes, C. Linkage between genes, D. Nothing of significance. The answer to this question is B. Recombination of linked genes. The final question is, if a geneticist were to closely examine the makeup of a single autosomal chromosome from one of your cells, that chromosome would be found to be A. Derived entirely from genes from just one of your grandparents, B. A mosaic of genes derived from your mother and father, C. A mosaic of genes derived from all 4 of your grandparents, D. A mosaic of genes derived from just 2 of your grandparents, either your 2 grandfathers or your 2 grandmothers, E. A mosaic of genes derived from your grandparents, either your maternal grandparents or your paternal grandparents. The answer is E. Meiosis is independent in your mother and father. Each of your parents has a pair of chromosomes having the same kind of information called homologous chromosomes inherited from their parents, and crossing over occurs between these homologous chromosomes. Thank you for watching. If you found it helpful, do like, subscribe, and share.